Bia looking for se kama I kami kiki Fortnite kan you. Ngā kama I kami ke whai ngā kāro.
Ngā kami ke whai kamakua. Se mea o ke ika iawe me kāronga.
No.
Kāronga.
Touch me again. Touch me again.
Mai.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Guys, welcome back to my day back break. Calm down, so I'm really nervous. Aussie got home from work not long ago, and he's currently sleeping. Guys, I have been trying to plan this prank for a bit now. I bought a second-hand PS3 for $40 on Gumtree. It was really cheap because it doesn't come with controllers, but it still works. I feel kind of bad to ruin a perfectly working, gadget device, but I don't have Control 3. I don't have the PS3 controllers, and I'm not gonna get it. And I bought it specifically for this prank so that I could smash it. I'm in the office room. I'm going to hide Aussie's PS4 here. But I'm gonna hide it. Hey! Me ngā whea kuia, oi, o ka alonga la we maka moe mai I whapea. You play that game? You play that game all the time. That's why I told you, stop playing that game.
Shut up!
Oh!
Play that game.
Kui no ka ele. Yeah, mga may boy, you always just come home after work, sleep. And what about the dishes here? What about the dishes here?
Hey, it's your job too. What do you
Excuse me? No, whea kuia oi, kaunga I moi. Malo lole le koe, whaile koe ke moi, eh? You need to know that game is taking over your whole life. Every time I call you, you don't even come. Well, you need to think about that. You should be getting up now. Look,
that's your job.
You spend so much time on that game. I didn't think I married someone like this. Bia looking for se kama I kami kiki Fortnite kan you. Ngā kama I kami ke whai ngā kāro.
Ngā kami ke whai kamakua. Rushe mai, lai, fia poko ke whai mono karangoa si. What did he say here?
Oh!
Shut up! I'm saying my.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
You need to hear it because you spend so much time on that game.
Yeah. Spend time on that game, but eu supong at wenga.
Yeah, I fall full. Whatever I moi.
Hey, oro ke eu sua wenga wenga.
Yeah, I so like yeah moi mai yeah I left.
Oro ele la vana so ako.
Yeah, kina na va fu ya. If I don't know maka o.
Make up.
Oh, it's not even about that, Aussie. It's really not about that.
What is it?
Look, you can't even get up and wash the dishes like I asked you to.
What are you doing?
I cooked dinner.
I cooked dinner.
Look, this washing's been there for 2 days.
And why you didn't?
And why didn't you do it? See, this is what I'm sick of. I'm so sick of this. I'm gonna get the game. You see this? This is the problem. This is the problem.
Do you want
me to do it? Do you want me to do it? I will do it. No. Touch me again. Touch me again.
Vai porque eu amo mesmo.
Oh! He needs some milk.
Do you want me to do it again?
Mình mày cái puxia assim qua đây em sẽ mê phê với sẽ đây phải đến mà sẽ sau lúc coi ông đi phải phê ngon quân ngắm mà lúc xia sau ấy em sẽ phê ao miếng công phu cả đúng không?
Because you play this all the time.
Ai, ele fa playing up sau đây eu lúc kia moi will la va mình không vâng à? La wallo la wi. Đi mẹ kia.
It's just a prank, Aussie. Yeah, no, you cut my real hair, remember?
Bruh.
I just paid back. I just paid you back. I said, I just paid you back. Come on. Hey, it's just a prank. It's alright, honey. The game is not your life.
It's not my life, but mình mau coupe mà mình mau kênh. E lúc cái phụ áo lấy cái lava lấy phải ngắt bunga malu si cái áo lấy lava. Nè phải xin ngắt nè por afia.
Kiss.
Kiss ya, mau mengang
Kiss.
Yonga ken.
Kiss.
Yonga ken.
Kissi kassi maya.
Ai.
Kiss kassi maya, babe.
Kissing all my name.
Sure. Oh! You're so loud. You're so fatal card on out. I've got a surprise for you. I got you a PS5. Come in. That's why I smashed your PS4, babe. I got you a PS5.
PS5.
Come. I'll show you. This is your PS5. What's wrong? I'll show you your real PlayStation. Come here.
That's my old PlayStation, really?
Yeah, that's yours.
What was that?
Vai, Siaosi. On mea kong wale ka ura prank. Ele fai moi. Okay? Guys, Team Victoria,
that's a
comment
Kaya
down
prank.
below.
That's a Kaya
Team
prank.
Victoria, guys. If you like this prank, you want to see more, Team Victoria. Let's go, guys.
Team Aussie.
Aussie was pissed. Come here, come here, come here, come here. What do you think about that? Did I do good or what?
Yeah, I think you got good this time. I'm gonna do another one to you then. You better.
Don't worry, boy. Don't worry, boy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Share it with your family and friends. Comment down below because it really helps out our channel. Make sure you click that little ding-a-ling next to subscribe so you get notified every time we upload. We'll see you guys next time. SB Squad signing out.